Hi, my name is Miss McFarlane, and I am a prospective teacher at Tarleton State University. Today I'm going to be teaching you about R-controlled vowels. We have 5 R-controlled vowels, and they are AR, OR, ER, IR, and UR. The AR sounds like R. The OR sounds like OR. ER, IR, and UR all sound like So I'm going to go over a couple of examples with you. For AR, we have car, k, R. Then we also have farm, f, R. M. Then we have OR, and we have horn, h, horn. N. Then you have storm, st, or. M. Then for ER, we have her, and we have tiger, For IR, we have first, st. Then we have dirt, UR, we have burn, n. And we have hurt, So all together, we are going to do this small activity. I want y'all to help me come up with what each of these are and how to spell it. So what is this? Great, that is a bird. Let's spell bird. How do we spell bird? Right, B-I-R-D. And that is going to be under what category? Right, the I-R. Then what is this? A letter, that's right. So we have a letter. And what category would that be under? Right, ER. And then what would this be? Corn, that is right. So we have corn. Y'all are doing awesome. Let's keep it going. What is this? That's right, that is a car. So if we spell car, and what category would this be under? Exactly, that would be under the AR. And what about this picture over here? Yes, way to go. It is a surf. This guy is a surfer. He is also surfing. Surfing would be under what category? That's right, UR. Okay, now we're going to go to our next activity. In this activity, I've already done a couple for you. I have put the basketball on the correct backboard where it matches the R-controlled vowel. So we have car, k, R, which is under AR. We have her, which is under ER. Sir, under IR. We have corn, under OR, and turn, under UR. So let's work together, and we are going to put these on the right backboard. So what about star? Exactly, it'll go to AR. Then we have fur, which is going to go where? Right, under UR. Next we have storm. Yes, it goes under OR. What about stir? Right, under IR. Then we have fern. Exactly, it goes under the ER. Okay, now I want all of you to get out some pen and paper or your journals, and I want you to practice writing a story using all the R-controlled vowels. Here's my story. I went to the store to buy some butter. I paid with my credit card. Then, on my way home, I saw a bird. I thought about what would happen if it ever got hurt. I would have to go save it. All right, thank you all for watching.